Hi, all my beautiful souls, all my beautiful kings and queens. Today's video is about what is the last messages coming from your person. So this person is about like your twin flame, twin soul, your soulmate, your partner, your current partner, your lover, your boyfriend, girlfriend, your ex-spouse, whomsoever you think that you still love or you are interested in. So what messages are coming from your partner or lover or boyfriend, girlfriend? What is their last messages for you, and what is their feelings for you? This is a weekly check in, what is their feelings for you, what they would do next. So that is what it is. So there are four choices over here. Before that, this is a timeless video. The particular time you are watching this video, that time, the particular day you are watching this video, it is applicable from that same day. And whether it is after 5 years, 6 years, 1 year, 2 years, down to the lane, it doesn't matter. So there are four choices. First choice is like your ruby joysite heart or green color heart, and make it easy, like this is blue color heart or lapis lazuli heart. The third one is like rose quartz heart, or you can say pink color heart. And this is the fourth one is your orange color heart, yeah, orange carnelian heart. So there are four choices, so you need to choose one of the heart, and whichever the heart you choose, that is your reading. This would be super detailed reading, what message is coming from your person, and what they are thinking, what is their intention, what they will take, what move they will take next. So that is all about it. You have 10 seconds to choose. This reading is for everyone, like either you live in India, US, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, Denmark, whichever the Poland, whichever the country you are living in, this is for you. North America, Brazil, anywhere in the world you are living in, this is for you. So you have 10 seconds to choose. Okay, so we will go for the one who choose ruby joysite heart. One who choose ruby joysite heart, we will quickly go for their reading. Ruby joysite heart, I'll keep this here. Green color heart or ruby joysite heart. Let's see. I suddenly remember 8, which is like, you know, kind of 8 number. Probably your date of birth or your partner's date of birth is like 8. 8 is like 8, 26 or 17. So let's see. Your first card is the Lover's card. The first is the Lover card, and second is the King of Swords. Ace of Cups. Wow, there is a golden opportunity coming towards you. So out of the blue, there is something, some certain great opportunities are towards you in love. Five of Swords, there would be some argument which would happen, or it has happened in past. Wheel of Fortune. So future is quite stable and good. And the Sun. Wow, wow, and wow. This reading doesn't require any more cards, because when at the end the Sun card came, major arcanas, major card, the most positive card has come, like Sun. I'm getting a message over here that this person really enjoys your company. They like you. They are planning something, they're planning their life with you, yin and yang. Okay, so this would be a twin flame connection, and for a long time you are waiting for this connection to happen, like something good to happen, and these good things are coming now towards you. Okay, the distorted masculine. Okay, so he was a masculine energy who is actually not aware of the twin flame things, and they were kind of, you know, and the distorted feminine, you were also the one who was like who took lots of time to get the spiritual awakening. And now since you are awakened spiritually and this person is awakened spiritually, I am seeing that definitely he is coming back to you, and there is a time for reunion. So this is a time for reunion. You are kind of marriage material for them. They, whosoever they date or whosoever they go for, they end of the day they think that you are the perfect marriage material for them. And but you took long time to get spiritually growth, like it took long time to get into spirituality for you as well as this person. You both were into materialistic world for long time. Now, Eight of Winters. Okay, so this would be the winter time when you and your person will be together. So that would be like winter time, you both will be together. So probably month of November, December, January. King of Summer. So a romantic partner you can trust, excellent advice that comes from the heart, and getting involved in a cultural or creative endeavor. So definitely what I could say that month of July, August, this person is going to express their feelings towards you. They think you are the perfect marriage materials, and they also interested in you and they want to be with you. So something like that. It's everything is happening really good over here. I'm seeing all the energies are so positive, and they think that you are the perfect partner for them. Only you both are twin flame. Yin yang card has come, so you both are twin flame, twin soul energy. But definitely you were a distorted feminine and he was like a distorted I mean to say distort masculine. So what is there, like you both were somehow you were stuck into the situation where you both too much into the materialistic world. So that's why it took long time for reunion. So probably this relationship is there since past 4-5 years. This connection is there since last 2 to 4 years. You both were waiting for each other for a perfect time, and here they are showing the distort masculine and the distorted feminine. So the distorted feminine, distorted masculine means somehow somewhere you both were stuck into the materialistic world things, so could not express your feelings for each other, or could not get into that situation that you both will marry each other. Probably there could have been a marriage situation over here. You were married or you are married, or they were married, and now you finally you both are coming out of the situation. Change the scenery. So yes, definitely here the scenery is getting changed. Step away from the crowd. So you both are someone who likes to be alone. You don't like to be in crowd, but and have fun. Okay, so you both were going through a traumatic situation. Listen to music. Probably you are a music lover and put others first, and definitely you are someone who likes to do charity, lots of charity, or you probably do lots of charity. So here many things are getting cleared over here, that you both were into some materialistic stuffs, worldly stuffs. You both were stuck into that, and there were because of that thing, like your relationship was not going good. And but you both were divine feminine and divine masculine energy and made for each other. Finally this reunion is happening. Sadness, have gone through a lots of traumatic situation, and soulmate again. Some of you guys are only soulmate, not true twin flame, but you are the true soulmate for each other. Rejection, many times your partner has rejected you and they just abandon you, but self sabotage. So but you somehow managed to get out of those situation, and again you trusted universe and you prayed them, and you are finally over here, so which is a real good thing. So let's see what is in final, what is going to happen. So what is their message for you? What is this person's message for you? Let's see that. You want a person who comes into your life by accident but stays on purpose. So you somehow met this person in a strange way. Probably he or she never thought that you would be their true soulmate or twin flame, and they will end up marrying you. But finally that thing happened. So you accidentally met them, but you stayed for the longest time in their life. Sometimes the strongest people in the morning are the people who cried all out. Probably your partner, your divine feminine or divine masculine, sounds like they are very cool, but they probably cried on you, cried for you for long times, probably like day and night they thought about you and they missed you so much. So this is the last messages coming from them. So if they did not take any steps till now, I would say that this is the time to take steps. So they will be taking some steps towards you, and they're coming back to you. If you are in a no communication situation, then they are coming back to you. There is a Sun card, Wheel of Fortune cards, Ace of a Cups card, and then Yang card, and it says that soulmate, and then it says so many good things, like here the romantic partner you can trust, excellent advice that's come from the heart, getting involved into the cultural and creative endeavor. So which says, everything says that they are actually missing you. There were a time they sat and thought about you a lots of time, and they cried over you, and they said they thought that this was like this will go away, their emotion will go away, but it did not happen, and finally they decided to come back to you. And they're coming back to you on month of August to on month of July, August, September. They are coming back to you. You both will have a new start, and probably you both are getting together, like you will be starting living with each other, or you will marry each other. So that thing is happening on winter season, like probably November, December, January. So that is the messages from them that is going to happen next. And what is their feelings about you? They really love you. They know now that who are you and what is your value in their life. They truly love you. They truly respect you. Your zodiac sign could be Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, Leo, Libra, and that's the energy. Leo, Libra, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini and Aquarius. So that is the energy. You both guys are in Sun, Moon, Rising. Your zodiac sign would be either Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, Leo, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, Leo and Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. You guys are pet lovers, and you yes, definitely you guys are pet lovers, and I am seeing some of you guys are music lover or doing something related with creative field, like you work in some company which is related to creative field, like probably a channel, probably somewhere you are working which is like a fashion warehouse or something like that, creative warehouse, or some creative designer. You are some creative designer, so you do something related with creative field, or you are into the government or public sector job. So that is what that is what your job nature of the job is. And you guys are well maintained people. You love your hair, so I'm seeing that you go for this hair treatment, hair spa quite often. So you love your hair. Somehow you are too much focused towards your hair, and you have this some few of these people have very long hair too. Okay, so this particular time you probably wearing a blue color shirt, or you are wearing a pink color top or blue color shirt, or blue color top or pink color top or pink color shirt, or someone I'm seeing who is wearing a red and white matching top, or the shirt or t-shirt, something like this. So that is what coming in front of my eyes. Someone I'm seeing that they are music lovers. They actually listen, they're listening music over this earphone or something, putting this earphone, and in they would be like, they usually listen loud music. So whatever the music they listen, it's like full volume. So I don't know whom I'm talking about, but definitely you need to tell me on in comments that whom I'm talking about whom I'm talking. And you guys are salad lover, so some of you guys always eat salad, nothing more than that, no burgers, nothing, you are in salad diet. So this is all about you. Your date of birth could be number 14, number 13, number 5, 23, number 2, 20, 11 and 29, number 6, 24 and 15. So that could be your date of birth. So let's quickly get into the another reading who chose the orange color heart. Now those who choose orange color heart, so let's see what is your reading. Orange color heart. Let's see what is your reading. Okay, so the first card is King of Wands. So you can see the first card is King of Wands. And the next card is Six of Wands. Third is the Hanging Man. Nine of Swords. Okay, situation is tough over here. And then Pages of Cups. Somebody is acting very immature, and Four of Coins, and then finally Ace of Coins. So Strength card, so number 8, Strength card. So probably you are the one who doesn't give up. Anytime you don't give up, you are the one who don't give up, who doesn't know how to give up. So which is a great thing. The timing of waterfall, the timing of this connection is not great timings at present, but definitely your person loves you, but they are in some situation where they need to take a decision and they cannot take this decision. Probably they have to leave their spouse, or they are in a long-term relationship with someone, and to order to be with you they have to leave that other person, and they are unable to do that. Phoenix. So you are kind of, you know, you have two characteristic here. Two characteristic is coming up, like you are like one is like you are someone like phoenix, and one is like someone like lion. So this you are definitely very very brave in nature. You don't give up very quickly. If you love someone, you never give up on them. So which is a very good thing. Sorrow, so currently you are in pain, you are in sorrow because mastery, so they left you, so that is why, so you are in pain and you are in sorrow. Lady spring, so there would be something. Lady summer, so something is going to happen quite soon, like it's going now, it is summer only until August, it would be summer. So probably on month of July, August, there is a hope that this person will call you and they will ask you to start all these things again, like start over everything again. But let me tell you, your partner is quite immature. They are not that mature. Let's see what messages are coming from their side. What is their messages for you? You probably felt like that this is an amazing connection with them, and you are it is worth to fight for them. But I will tell you, your partner is really really stupid. Like they act very immature. So what is their message? Find the good in what they said or asked. It's always there, even if they did not mean for it to be there. Clues for what you want are hidden all around you. So this card says that they think about you, but they cannot express their feelings. When you begin to find love in people and places where you haven't found it before, it always because you have grown. Oh, okay. So they are also in pain. So it's not like that they are enjoying this. Probably they know that they lost you somehow because of their immature behavior. They could not take decision about you, but they could not take decision for you, but they still want you. So they're very immature. These guys are like immature, even though there is King of Wands, because King of Wands kind of very intelligent personality. Your partner would be very charming personality. They have charming personality. They are attractive, they are good looking, but I'm seeing that they are very immature too. They think that they don't want to lose you, but they don't want to take decision about you. A blessings on a journey. Probably you or he or she will be traveling on this month. A blessings of fresh start. So probably you will also get a chance to start new early, like all over again, some new beginning. They may come back to you and ask you for a chance, a second chance, something like that. And a blessings on your sleep. So you probably gave up on your sleep, so you are not sleeping properly. Something is happening, like you are going through a mental trauma, I can understand. So probably you are not taking care of your health properly. That is why universe is sending a message like blessings for sleep. So kindly sleep if you are not taking care of your health well. So I'll say kindly take care of your health well and kindly sleep. Sexuality, probably there is a person, third person involvement, intimacy, where the third person is all about sex and sexual relationship, and you are probably kind of a person whom like they are interested in you, and apparently they cannot take decision about you because somehow they are stuck into this sexual connection with someone else, sexual relationship with someone else. You have to be very open to your thought, because you have to tell him or her that you actually you are looking for a commitment. Until you tell them, they are not, they won't easily give you commitment. Who doesn't want you? Don't be afraid of losing someone who doesn't want you. So So you are kind of, this time you are in a situation like, I won't give up on him or her, but still you are sad because there is a third person, there is a connection with this your partner has a great sexual connection with this person, some intimate relationship with this person going on, the third person, and between your partner and third person, and you are kind of confused that what to do next. But I would say that your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. So universe is saying, if you wait and you are already courageous, because this lion cards are there and then phoenix cards are there, if you wait and you have that courage to fight for this, definitely there would be a new start. There are chances that you will get your dream will come true. But at the same time, your person is quite immature, so take care of that things, talk to them clearly, have a clear communication that, hey, if you need me, then you need to be with me, you need to take decision about me, you need to leave this third party. If you will be able to say like this, I think by spring, like month of March, April, May, you probably will marry this person, or you will get engaged, or you both will be together, start living with each other. Something great thing will happen with you, between you two. But that is depending on your way to act and his way to act on your words. So you need to clear out this communication, you need to meet this person, you have to have a thorough clear communication with this person that, hey, you know what, I don't like you being in a third party and then coming back to me again, going back to them. Like, this is an on and off situation. I want you to be with me. If you really want me, then be with me, otherwise leave me forever. If you will be if you will have this courage, enough courage to say that leave me forever, then they will definitely take a decision towards you and leave this third party and third person and come back to you and have a new fresh start with this person. So, and probably they'll take a decision on month of March, April, May. They will start living with you, or they will get engaged with you, or they will marry you. Something of the other thing will happen. But definitely they want you, they want a new beginning. That is their messages coming from them, that they want a new beginning and they like you, they love you, and they want to be intimate with you. They are too much into, too much attracted towards you. They are kind of passionate towards you sexually. So that is also one thing, that they want to be intimate with you. They are passionate about you. So you have a win-win chance. Only thing you have to do is, like, they are little immature, you have to tell them, clear them off that what you want. Probably your date of birth can be, your partner's date of birth can be 4, 22, 31 and 13, number 2, 11, 29 and 20, number 9, 18 and 27. Date of birth, your name's first or last letter name could be N, T, I, C, Y, M, D, R, A, G. So that could be first or last letter of the name. You guys are in Sun, Moon, Rising, Virgo, Taurus and Capricorn, and Aries, Leo and Sagittarius energy. And Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Virgo, Taurus and Capricorn, and Libra and Aquarius energy. So that is what it is. And definitely you and he or she has future, but it depends on you, that how you communicate with them, how you clear things out with them. So that is all about this reading, and we will complete this reading now, and we will go to the next pile quickly. That is blue color heart, or lapis lazuli heart. Okay, so now the next reading would be those who choose blue color heart or lapis lazuli heart for them. Okay, so the first card is Five of Swords, Pages of Wands, and Five of Cups, and Emperor, King of Cups, and Justice card. Currently you are probably wearing a green color dress or green color top and watching this video, while watching this video, or blue and yellow combination top, or green and yellow combination of top, or bottom, like that, top bottom combination. So you are wearing that t-shirt, shirt, top, something like this, while watching this video. And you guys are coffee lover, for sure. You guys are coffee lover. You love to drink too much of coffee, green coffee or whatever the coffees are, like you like to drink coffees. You are very close to your grandparents, and they are kind of the person for you, like they are ideal people for you, and you keep thinking about them. Whenever you are sad, you keep thinking about them. So you guys are in Sun Moon Rising. You would be Aries, Leo and Sagittarius energy, and Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Some are Gemini and Libra. You guys probably maybe worked together earlier, your ex-colleague, or you are talking about someone whom you are working with now. So probably your colleague or your ex-colleague. Spiritual connection. A relationship has a connection that goes beyond this lifetime. So spiritual connection are like beyond the lifetime, beyond everything. So spiritual connection, what happened, like I told you guys many times, what happens in spiritual connection. When you are in a spiritual connection with someone, they don't run away from you or you don't chase them. They would be always with you, but they also like to live alone, and you also like to live alone, and you both will start doing something related with spirituality in an individual time and individually in a separate time, but suddenly one day your path will be together. Receive with love and appreciation. Gracious acceptance is a way to show love. So the way to show love is to accept your spiritual connection now. So probably he or she is coming towards you, but you are the one who is kind of rejecting them, who is not accepting them. So this is what it is like. The spiritual connection has to be like need acceptance. So you probably not accepting them. So let's see why you don't accept them. They are coming towards you, they want you, but why don't you accept them? Okay, drop it. So probably they hurt you, something happened, like they were with third person. Take no offense. So you, though this card says that take no offense, but you actually, these things got into in your mind, that why they left you, because call your spirit home. So this is like for you guys, the spirit home is for you guys, like you both will be in spiritual spiritual journey. You both will do something related with spiritual. You have to be together, but definitely I'm seeing that you are hurt this point of time. So that is why you are not getting you are not willing to take him or her back, but this person is definitely coming back to you to give you commitment. So what is their messages? So what is their messages? What is their current feeling? feelings, it is very clear that they want you. Somehow they want you, they want to be with you. You guys like ice cream and chocolates. Oh my god, I'm getting these messages that you guys like ice cream and chocolates and soft toys too, and crystals. Some people, they purchase lots of crystals, they keep crystals in their home. And some of you guys are into spirituality, some of you guys are working related, something related communication field, some of you guys are doing something related with legal, law, police, army, something like this. Okay, a blessings for healing or injury of illness. So you are basically hurt. You are hurt and you think that why this person left me for a third person, and that is what your question is. That is why you are questioning yourself, and why should I be with this person. But you guys are spiritual connection. They left you, but even though you both have a spiritual purpose to fulfill, so you need to be together. If you don't wish, that is a different thing, but you need to be together in order to complete your spiritual goal. So that is what the situation over here. So you need to be together, you need to be with each other, because you need to also fulfill this spiritual commitment or spiritual lifetime path. Your life path, a blessings for a mother. Definitely this is a good time. You can speak with your mom about it. Probably she would be the person who will help you, or some motherly figure. Migraine's blessings of peace after battle. So whatever the battle happened between you and him or her, these things are over now. You feel like you are kind of stuck over here, your energy is really stuck now, but I'm seeing that you are going to get it through. Like this situation you will get over of this situation. This person is really important to you because they are your spiritual connection, soul connection. You both have this spiritual motive to fulfill, you both have this spiritual light path to fulfill, and probably they have done something wrong with you, like they left you, they went for a third person or something like that. I'm getting these messages, but again they are coming back to you. They repent a lot and they are coming back to you, and they will be with you forever. So counseling, your cards are coming like counseling, and then trust. So you both have to trust each other, and you both will do some counseling work in future. Your life purpose fully supports you. So you both have this life purpose to fulfill. So definitely you both have to fulfill this life purpose, and you have to be together. So whatever it is, whatever the situation is, it is now your stuck energy. You need to actually take off this energy out of your brain, or whatever the thoughts are there in your brain. So you have to take out those things, and you have to take decision about your partner, because he or she has really come back to you, and they repent, they understood that you are how valuable you are for them, and now they are willing to give commitment. This time they are not telling lies, but you are unable to believe them. So that is the situation over here. Wisdom. Okay, so there is a card of wisdom. Prosperity begins. So you need to have enough wisdom to understand this situation. You wear patience, but now when things are happening, you are unable to keep patience. Universe. So universe has some messages for you, so I need to tell that message also. I'll read out which message. Patience and planning. You kept patience, and you were like, you were patiently waiting for this person till the date, but now all of a sudden you don't want them. So that is really tough. And why this is like this, so we will know from universe that what universe wants to tell you. Your date of birth could be number 14, number 21, 5, 1, 7, 9, 16, 23, 25, or 27, 18. Oh, first card. Let's see this from here. Forgive. Of course, anger can always be justified, but then so can forgiveness. Just depend on how much more you want from the adventure. So universe is saying that you are angry on this person, but you have to forgive them, but you are kind of, getting distracted, you are irritated, you are angry because this person left you in the middle of the journey. But yes, I can understand your angerness, your the bitterness you felt, or the sorrow you felt, but you need to forgive this person and you need to go ahead with them, because you have a spiritual purpose to fulfill. So you would be healing later on with your counseling. See, this counseling card has come. With your counseling you would be healing people. That is what universe is saying, that you have this certain things to fulfill on this in this birth, and that is with this particular person. So you need to see to look out towards the spiritual side of this connection. And definitely our their messages is like they want to come back to you, and what they feel, they love you, they want to give commitment. They understood that they have done something wrong earlier in past, but now they are all they want to make it right. So that is all about this energy. You guys, some of you guys, uh, name starts with P or W or M or N, G, S, Y, U, J, C, E. So that would be your first or last letter of the name. So we would complete this reading over here, and we will go to the last reading, last but not the least, which is for those who choose Rose Quartz Heart. Rose Quartz Heart. The last reading, which is for Rose Quartz Heart. So let's see what is there. So the first card is the Magician. Magician, and then the Three of Swords, and Two of Swords, and Ace of Swords, and King of Pentacles, and Two of Wands, and Six of Pentacles, and Four of Pentacles. What is their messages for you? They are not even thinking about you. So someone who is not thinking about you at all. So that is the situation over here. And I think they are into third party situation. They are happy with third party, they are enjoying their life with this third person. They are not at all thinking about you. Where I'm seeing this person is not by nature, he is not someone, or she is not someone who does like that, but somehow something happened. Talk to God. Okay, so this is a great card. So you need to talk to the divine, you need to talk to Almighty itself, like you need to put him as in your prayer. You are not afraid. You never be afraid of anyone say I am sorry. So something, I think, okay, so something you have done here, celebrate you. So you probably be patient. You probably rejected them earlier, and that's why they got hurt, and now they are with third person. And probably for your for your family, probably for someone else, or probably for some situation you rejected them, and now they are with a third person and they are not at all thinking about you. So that's the situation. And the messages from them is like messages from universe is telling that you need to keep patience, tell them sorry, and just keep your prayer on, or keep your worship on regarding this person, the dreamer. Embrace your true purpose, begin a new adventurous, trust yourself that he or she will come back, because now you know what is their worth. Five of Spring, opposing goals arising from differing opinions, feelings at odds with yourself or others, overly ambitious people. So ambition was everything for you. So I feel like you rejected this person long back, like probably month of February, March, April this year, or last year February, March, April. You left them, you rejected them because you were ambitious about your career, you wanted to do something in your career, and that's why you said no to them. And now you think about them, lately you are thinking about them quite often, and you want them back. Six of Summer, children and childhood, the return of people or romances from your past, remembering events differently in a better or worse light than how they really occurred. So this person probably your long time friend, or they are someone who actually know you for a long time, or they are your past life soulmate. So there is definitely this is your soulmate. You rejected them for certain reason. That reason is definitely related with materialistic world. Probably you wanted to become a financially strong woman or financially strong man, or you wanted to get into that situation, like you are earning a lot, or you are getting a new position, something like that. Because of your career you left them, and now they are happy with other person, so they don't think about you much. There is a third person in this situation, and they don't think about you much now. And you need to keep these things in your prayer, that this person really should come back to you, they should love you. Worthiness, now you know they are actually worth of everything. Like you probably willing to give everything to them, but now I'm seeing that their energy is different. They are in a relationship, they are quite loyal to the other person. They're really truly, they used to love you, they were loyal towards you, they wanted you. But this person, the person you are talking about, they are probably working into the financial group or financial company or banking sector, or they are into the business, or they used to do their, like they are doing their own business. And you guys are either preparing for some competitive exam, or you guys are doing some public sector or government sector job, or communication field or IT sector job. And I'm seeing that this person actually wanted to the person you are think you have thought and took this choose this pile, they actually wanted you. Wow. And they were quite patient on you, they wanted you, they were for a long time there, they were after you, but you said them no, and now they are gone, but now you want them back. Why you tell them no? Because of your ambition, because of the achievement which you wanted to get, or because of the kind of things you wanted from your life. Because of that you tell them that no, I just don't want to be with you. That is because of your career probably, or some financial status. You wanted to improve your financial status, or you wanted to achieve some certain goal. Now they have some third person, they are not at all thinking about you, so there is no messages from them. But universe definitely ask you to talk to the god. That means you need to go in prayer, you need to worship, you need to keep in prayer about these things, and probably god will be great. God is great, so he will give you whatever you want. And you need to tell them sorry, you need to ask them for forgiveness. And let's see what else are there. You guys are in sun moon rising, Virgo, Taurus and Capricorn, Libra, Aquarius and Gemini's energy. The gardener. See, a gardener, how they put this all those tree, they gave them water every day, they give them soils, so like that you have to actually put effort to this relationship. Now compatibility, you were a great compatible, like you both were compatible for each other. Repartnering yourself to get back to this situation or get back this person, you need to show some certain maturity, you need to pray and you need to manifest. So manifestation card is there, so you have to do all these things to get back this person. Otherwise I really don't think this person is going to be with you. What is the advice card? They probably come back, but those chances are kind of 50-50 at present. They got nothing to tell you, they don't feel much about you, they are happy with the third person, and you are heartbroken. So that's the situation. But if you manifest, if you pray god, and if you try a lot, you have to actually try like a gardener, like the way gardener take care of their plants, in same way you have to try hard to get back this person in your life. Let go of what was in order to make room for what's to come. It may be time to release a relationship that has run its course, a job that lost its luster, or depleting commitment. The past is over. What's done is done. Acknowledge the feelings, learn from experience, and give yourself permission to release any negative emotions or guilt. When one area of your our life fails apart, new opportunities falls into place. So according to universe, you need to let go this situation, you need to let go this connection. What is their next move? I'm not seeing anything like they are going to come back or something. Probably they are gone forever. So that is the current energy, but don't get disheartened. Probably you can repartnering, because here are the cards: repartnering, manifestation, talk to god, compatibility, maturity. So probably if you will work a lot, you take the healing session from my channel, the relationship better, and the manifestation or the healing session of your desired partner, probably you will get this person back in your life. But for now, current energy, according to current energy, universe is asking you to let go this person, because somebody is coming back, coming in your life. They are more compatible to you, so that connection is lost already. You lost that connection. So your name's first or last letter of the name, probably M, P, I, T, Y, U, A, R, G, L, F, O. So that could be your first or last letter of the name. Date of birth could be number 2, number 6, number 18, number 4, number 22, number 13, number 31, number 3, number 21, number 12, number 19, number 28. So that could be your date of birth or your partner's date of birth. This is all about you, your energy, your sacral chakra, heart chakra. You need to heal them. Solar plexus chakra, you need to heal them. Things are not fine with you at present. Take a chakra healing session and aura cleansing session from my channel. I have posted it on 31st of January this year, so kindly take those healing session. Now this reading is completed. Thank you guys for watching my video, but sadly the end is the last reading is not that great. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day and God bless you.